Gator, we're off to sick week. Let's go racing. Let's go clear coat the Chevelle.
Alright, next we're going to be clear coating the Chevelle. Chevelle is done. I think it came out pretty good. I'm not 100% happy with it, but it's okay. And we're going to be putting the varnish from Kaleido onto it. Figure at least 3 to 4 coats. First coat will be put on lightly. Probably will put some retarder in the last coat. Body's wiped down. Just needs to be brushed off. Alright, I'm actually going to be using the new Seeker brush. Second coat on it. It's going to be a little heavier. I did put retarder in the paint, in the clear this time. Give it sit for a few minutes. Coming out pretty good. Alright, this will be the third coat. Definitely put it on a little heavier. Take your time. hood. Okay, going to put another coat on. Nice heavy coat. Alright, it's looking good so far. I'm going to put one more coat on it. Looks looking good. Alright, it's tacked up enough. Last coat. Alright, that's the last coat. Alright, it looks pretty good. I'm going to be putting it in the dehydrator now I'm going to put it in for a couple hours.
See you in the next video. Please like and subscribe.